So let's try to execute this. Shift enter. Ooh, the nth odd number is 50. So between 32 and 64, the nth odd number is 60. Can we just quickly check? Right, so this is the first odd number, second, third, fifth, sixth, seventh, and then eighth, ninth. 50 is not even an odd number, right? So 51 should be the odd number. Why is it that the program is giving us 50 as the odd number? That's interesting. Let's check. Okay, what's the reason? This is looking, actually it looks like this is looking for even numbers, not odd numbers. See, it should not be divisible by 2. That's the definition of an odd number, right? So we're going to say not equals. Not be equal to 0, only count those numbers, right? So let's try and execute this again. Shift enter. Okay, there we go. 51. So that's our 10th odd number. Alright, that was the break statement. So just to reiterate, a break statement works by breaking for or a while loop, could be any of those. As long as it's looping within that block, wherever you write a break statement, it breaks out of this entire block, number one. And number two, anything below the break statement will not be executed. And the program execution comes to the next statement after the for or while loop. So first thing is stops execution. Second thing is it will not be, everything below the break statement will not be executed. The third thing is execution continues after the loop. Okay, and another word, a fourth point to note is irrespective of the number of if statements or any other logical flow control statements, all of them will be broken. All logical if else statements within the loop will also be broken.